everyone! We are making a small tiny heart crochet just like this. It's a cute accessory for your bag if you want a keychain. You can do this for your and if you want to make this, it's such a easy to do crochet if you want to do it. First, we're having red yarn. I'm using a red yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, just like this. This is a crochet hook and scissors. What kind of scissor you like, you can use it. And if you like, any color, just like red, is like yellow or blue, you want to make a heart just like this, you can change it, you can change the color if you want. Okay, just let's start with a magic ring. If you want to do a magic ring, you just put some fingers over here and then you make and your hook will be under this yarn and grab it under this, and there you go, you have a magic ring. If you're done with the magic ring, you will chain two. To chain two, you will go under the yarn like this, and then you will do this. That's chain one. You will chain two for, and now you chain two of the, and then you will go, and then we will make 3 double crochet. To make the double crochet, you will just yarn over and put the hook here, and then go over the yarn and then again. Here you go, have a double crochet. Now we will make we will make 2 more of this. Okay, if you know how to double crochet, okay, 1 2 this, okay, 1 2, and then you have 3 double crochet. If you're done with this, you will do 3 half double crochet. It's just you just do this again, but you just do this again, but you will not just like done this. You will not do that, but just one just like this. Is just one yarn pull through, and then yeah, in the first yarn, in the first 2 yarn, and then the one in the back. And then this is the one half double crochet, and we will make 2 more. Okay, 2. Now we're done with the 3 half double crochet, and we will chain 1. To chain 1, you will go under the working yarn and pull through. If you're done with the chain 1 like this, which you will do a half double crochet, 3 half double crochet to do this. Wait. Okay. like this. If you don't see it, it's just blurry in my screen. Sorry. And we will do a half double crochet. Okay, you're done with this. This one. Okay. Two. And then three. There you go. You done three half double crochet. Now we will, if you're done with this, we will make three double crochet. Not half double crochet is three double crochet. If you know how to double crochet, that's okay. I no, I I done my mistake. Okay, there you go. You will do this and do that, and then do that, do this. Wait, working yarn, and then you will 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are done with the double crochet. If you're done with that, we will chain 2 again, just like this. You will go under the working yarn and pull through. Go under, pull through, and then you'll how. And if you're done with this, you will we will now going to do a slip stitch. To do the slip stitch, you will go under the go in the magic ring, pull through a yarn, a working yarn, and then if there the working yarn, you will put to the the hook, the yarn. And then you're done with this. You're just gonna pull the and then put aside the hook and snip, and then cut the and pull your yarn. If you seeing the it's not a hard crochet, but if you pull this yarn, it will you gonna make you gonna make your hard crochet. You're just gonna pull here and then pull here, and you're done with this hard crochet tutorial. It's not looking like a heart. You're just gonna pull this yarn over the back, and if you're done with the hard crochet, congratulations, you done your heart. I done a pink hard crochet just like this. You can give it to someone, or do if you want something like this, you can do it. And bye, that's the end of my tutorial. You can if you can do this, you can do this. Okay, I goodbye, and I am now bye.